Hello children, welcome back to video lectures of social science. This is lecture number 5th of chapter number 14, Standard 10th. Till now we had seen about various topics related to the physiography of India. In the previous lecture we had seen about peninsular plateau, what is peninsula and what is plateau. We had studied deeply about the two main parts of the peninsular plateau, that was Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. We also saw about one of the other parts of physiography of India, that was coastal plains, and we also saw the extent of coastal plains, that is the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, and the areas that they cover. We also saw what were archipelagos, studied about two archipelagos of India, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Then the next topic that we studied was rock. We saw different kind of rocks, igneous rocks, stratified rocks and metamorphic rocks. We also studied into deep about how igneous rocks are formed, stratified rocks are formed and metamorphic rocks are formed. Today we are going to study about our next topic, that is mineral. So without wasting time, let us start. Minerals. Mineral is that matter which is formed due to natural, organic or inorganic process. Now this can be the definition of mineral. Mineral is that matter which is formed due to or natural organic. Okay, what is organic? Organic is living. And or, see, or is given, or inorganic process. Inorganic means non-living. Okay, so minerals are created into nature by a process, okay, due to a process, and it includes the organic or inorganic materials and matters into it, and has a specific chemical composition. This is a very important point. Okay, you need to remember this particular terms, chemical composition and specific too. Okay, it has a very specific chemical composition. Now you might be studying into your science, and in science chemistry, that every material, every mineral, everything has a specific chemical composition. Okay, and due to it, it has a unique identity. Like suppose you take water, then water has H2O. Okay, so this is the identity of water. This is a specific chemical composition of water. Same way, each and every mineral in the world has a specific chemical composition, and due to it, it is different from the others. Minerals are available from interior of the earth. See, they are available from the interior of the earth. Okay, in solid, liquid and gaseous forms. Now we know that there are three forms. Okay, one is solid, okay, that we can touch and it is harder. Second form of matter is liquid, okay, which is usually flowable, okay, which is right softer in comparison to solid. And third is gaseous. Okay, gaseous form. So these are mainly the three. There are other forms of it also, but these are three main forms of a matter: solid, liquid and gaseous. And Minerals are found into all these forms. Solid, there are minerals which are found into solid, there are minerals which are found into liquid forms, and there are minerals which are also found into gaseous forms. Mineral depends on the geological structure of the surface. Now this is very important. Mineral depends on the geological structure. Now when we talk about geological structure, we also talk mainly about rocks. Mainly about rocks that are available into that area and the soil. Okay. Now there are minerals which are available into different kind of rocks. Okay, depending on their properties. So the geological structure of the surface of the earth is also very important for the minerals. Minerals such as iron, copper, nickel, gold, silver, etc. are found in igneous rocks. See, remember this. Okay, they are found into igneous rocks: iron, copper, nickel, gold, and silver. So this all are available into igneous rocks. Okay, whereas coal, mineral oil, and natural gas are available in stratified rocks. Say, remember this: coal, mineral oil, natural gas are available in stratified. Stratified means the layered rocks. Okay, while slate, marble, diamond, etc. are available in metamorphic rocks. Okay, so minerals like slate, marble, diamond are available into metamorphic rocks. So you can understand here that the geological structure of any place is very important for which kind of mineral is found from there. The next topic that is classification of the minerals. Okay, classification. How are minerals classified? In our routine life, about 200 minerals are used directly or indirectly by us. This is very important. We are using every day about 200 different kind of minerals. A universally accepted classification of mineral is not possible, and that's why it is not possible to classify minerals on the same basis, because every places the usage of mineral is different from different. However, a general classification can be done as follows. So the general classification of mineral is something like this, which is given at the bottom. First, metallic minerals. See, such kind of minerals which are metallic minerals, which has a metallic property into it. Metallic minerals can be divided into other four subcategories. The first one is precious metallic mineral. Okay, such kind of mineral which are precious and considered valuable. Gold, we know about it. Okay, silver, platinum. These are some of the precious metallic minerals. Next, light metallic minerals. The manganese, bauxite, and titanium are light. Light means they are light in weight. Light in weight. Okay, they are lighter in comparison to others. Third, minerals of general use. Such kind of minerals which are used generally by each and every person. Okay, iron, we know about it. Copper, lead, zinc, tin, and nickel. So these are some of the minerals which are used by us in our day-to-day life. And fourth is mineral uses alloy. Alloy is mixture. Alloys like chromium, manganese, tungsten, vanadium, etc. are used also, and they have a metallic property. Okay, the second form of minerals is non-metallic minerals. Limestone. Okay, such kind of minerals which doesn't have a metallic property into it. Limestone, chalk, asbestos, which is used for fireproofing, mica, phosphor, gypsum, okay, sulfur, and diamond. These are some of the non-metallic minerals which are used by us directly or indirectly. Next is minerals which are used as energy resources. Okay, we also use minerals as energy resources. Okay, say coal, we get energy out of it. Mineral oil and natural gas are also included in it. Then uranium and thorium, these are used for atomic energy. Okay, they are used for getting the atomic energy. So these are used into it, and they are some of them. Okay, so we understood that minerals can be mainly classified as metallic, non-metallic, and energy resources. Okay, now we are going to see major minerals and the special distribution where they are available, which places in India they are available. Okay, so the first mineral that we are going to see is iron. Now iron is mainly available in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, etc. The next mineral is manganese. The places that it is available is Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Goa. The next one is copper. Okay, copper is used by us into day-to-day life. So copper is available in Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Maharashtra, West Bengal, MP, that is Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. These are some of the places where copper is available. Next is bauxite. It is available in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, and Gujarat. So these are some of the places where bauxite is available. Next is lead. Rajasthan is one of the leading states where lead is available. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and also in Gujarat it is available in little quantity. Next is mica. Okay, some say mica. Okay, mica. Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, and Jharkhand. It is available there. Next is limestone, which is a non-metallic mineral. Madhya Pradesh is one of the leading producers of it. Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Himachal Pradesh. So these are some of the places where the minerals are available into different quantities. Now it will one of the leading questions that you will be filling is how to remember so many names. Okay, now you can make names or small words out of it. Like suppose we take example, suppose I want to remember manganese, then I can take the first names of the states where it is available. Okay, that will be something like this: K, O, M, P, M, and G. Now make a name, any name out of it, or any word which you can easily remember. Like I have made this: G, K, O, M, P. Okay, G stands for Gujarat, K for Karnataka, P for, okay, P and O here, okay, is for Odisha, okay, right, and MP stands for Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so you can say mom, GK mom. Okay, so M stand for Maharashtra also. So this way there are so many, you can make any that is easily remembered by you. Okay, so you understood how minerals are available into different places. So we are keeping till here, and in the next video lecture we will go further.